Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Gadgettechiee. My name is Akshar and currently I'm in Frankfurt. I came for my job here and I thought every time I'm doing the unboxing and reviewing, so this time I thought to do something different and I thought when I'm going to purchase that thing, right, I'll take you guys with me. Today I'm going to buy Canon 200D DSLR camera. I find it very interesting, but let's go to the store and see how it is. So today I will just buy that camera and maybe I'll do the unboxing. For review of that camera, it will take some time for me to get used to with it, and in very short time I will upload a new video with the review of that camera. So without much further ado, let's get started and please come with me to buy the new camera. So guys, right now I have purchased my camera kit and here maybe you can see it has the camera, the bag and one SD card. Maybe you can't see, but I'll show you. I'll take these things to home and we'll unbox it.
So guys, this is the big bag that I have, and let me take its stuff one by one. Now this is the camera bag which I have bought it from the store, and this is IC company, and it seems really durable and it got more compartment in it, so that's why I bought this one. I'll show it later. This 32 GB SanDisk SD card. This is the camera guys. So this is Canon EOS 200D camera. Let me do the unboxing and I will show you what's there inside. Manual of Canon, which is in different language. And there is another warranty card and another safety precaution booklet, which is I'm not interested anymore. Just check it out guys. This is Canon 200D. So on top you can see several functional buttons are given. On the back it will be the as usual play button and set button, delete buttons and all of that. The initial impression, it's really lightweight and the size is also much compact. If you see other DSLRs like 80D or 750D, they were much bigger and a little bit heavier than this one. So we will discuss about this camera a little bit later. Let me show you the other things first. We have got one battery. This is the charging dock for the battery. There is the camera straps. This is a high quality camera strap. put it with the camera, and it's highly recommendable that you should put the strap. And there's a charging cable for the charging dock. And yes, this is the main lens. So this one is the Canon zoom lens EFS 18-55mm. It has the image stabilization and the STM. So you can see the autofocus and manual focus and stabilizer options are there. So this is it in the unboxing, guys. This package cost me totally 630 euros, but with the Canon I got one more offer and they will refund 50 euro back once I register this camera on the Canon site. So totally this bundle cost me around 580 euros, and I really love this camera. I'll upload a new video that why I have choose this camera, why this camera is best in this price range, and why it will be best for YouTubers. So stay tuned for that video. Please like this channel if you like the content, and if you want to give some suggestions, put in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this camera, and do you think that is there any other better camera with this price range? Then please let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.